Hello friends and welcome to another video, and this is not the usual topic I would upload the video on, but this is a very serious issue faced by some article writer in any website. So the main problem is missing field FN, and I just figured out a solution on how to fix this and what this problem actually occurred by. So let's begin the tutorial. The missing field FN problem usually occurs on a table. It means row and columns when you created a table on classic editor, and after that you updated the WordPress version and the new editor took place, and again if you either try to update the post article or you open and then close, then the problem occurs from there. So I have also 26 different items affected by the same problem, and I have fixed 4 of them, and I think it's better to share with you guys too if you are also facing this problem. So let me choose an article to show you the demonstration. I think I will go with this one, Samsung Galaxy S10. Now click this. Okay, I will show you a live test example and then we will proceed to the fix. So it says it's retrieving data from Google Index, and let's click on test live URL. So the previous error I showed you, this one on the background, this was crawled on, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 days before, so it only shows the update or old crawled information, and when you test the live URL then you will find what is missing and what is not. So this should be ready by right now. Okay, you can see unnamed item and missing field FN. Okay, this also says HP product hashtag brand Galaxy S. So let's fix this. Just go to the URL and I will show you where the column is, and here you can see the column. So this is creating the problem, and let me show you how to fix it. Click on edit post or login and go to this article. Choose the article that has this problem, and when you are on the editor, so this is the new editor of WordPress, and you can see this one. So this is the old column, so let me separate all of them as blocks. So click on these 3 dots and click on convert to blocks. This will separate all of them, and you can see this. Okay, we'll fix that later. So now the main problem is in here, so let's fix it. Click on these 3 dots which says more options and go to edit as HTML. So you can see table class is equal to missing. Just write FN in here and click outside the box, and you can see this block contains unexpected or invalid content. Just go to 3 dots and click on convert to classic block. Okay, this will fix the problem. Let me show you. Now click on update. See, the post is updated. Now again click on test live URL. Okay, we can do it by refresh the URL. So it is the Search Console is testing live URL, and let's wait whether it fixes the missing field FN or not. And we have 2 problem in here. One is missing field FN type, and sp product hashtag brand. Okay, let's see it will fix the problem or not. Now it should be done, I think, but it's taking some time. Okay, as you can see, the problem is completely solved. Now after this, you can click on request indexing and complete this captcha, or click on verify, and it should, yes, it is submitting the request and it says indexing requested. So click on got it, and I think you got it too. So fix all your problems related to fn missing field, and if you have any further problems, then feel free to notify me in the comment box. And thank you guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.